Come with me while I make a digital model of this neuron and use that to create this beautiful 3D render that I can animate in Blender. This is the first in a series of shorts where I'm going to create a model of every cell type in the human neocortex and add them to a virtual atlas using only open source and available data and software so that you can appreciate the utter complexity that is the human brain. Since my first long-form video featured some human-specific features of this neuron type, I'm going to start with layer 2-3 intratelencephalic neurons. I'm going to reuse this Python script that I wrote to create that thumbnail and add in the morphology for this neuron that I got from the Allen Brain Atlas cell types viewer. You can see from their data that this neuron type is the most numerous in their single-cell RNA-seq data, so it seems like a good cell type to start with. In case you're wondering what these neurons do in your brain, they're actively involved in feed-forward and feedback mechanisms in these brain regions too. An example of this is when you see a familiar face, these neurons are working overtime to coordinate the brain regions involved in that network so that you realize instantly that it's the face of a loved one versus an enemy so that you can greet them with the hug and smile that they deserve. These animations are nice and all, but we can do even better if I load this morphology into Blender and create this fun camera animation so that we can fly through the arbor of the neuron as if we're in a microscopic spaceship shrunk down to roughly 100,000 times smaller than real life. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. If you like this kind of content, where I, a real human with a PhD in neuroscience, make deep dives in the nerdiest of scientific concepts and create visualizations based off of real-world data using open source software and never any AI slop, consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you soon. In the meantime, I'll leave you with another round of this roller coaster ride through the neuron. Thank you very much. Bye!